अच्छा, एक्सरसाइज नंबर 129 कहता है, जेंटलमैन, एज ए consequence of your inconsistent conduct। ये जब हम एक यानी काम या काग या कान यानी किसी लफ्ज के दरमियान में आता है तो वो हम एक दूसरे के नजदीक लिखते हैं। तो ये क्या है? इनकंसिस्टेंट कंडक्ट। ये हम किस तरह लिखेंगे? देखे, इसमें हाफिंग भी हुआ है। देखे, ये हम इस तरह लिखेंगे, इन कंसिस्टेंट कंडक्ट, इस तरह लिखेंगे। फिर देखे, ये इन कंसिस्टेंट कंडक्ट, इस तरह लिखेंगे। अच्छा, in the matter of our contact, we are compelled in self-defense to state that unless you can complete the order by the end of the month, the business must at once be transferred. And the Acha, if the delays which have occurred have placed us in considerable difficulties. First up, at our interview in September, when you signify your willingness to undertake the contract, you were confident that you could deliver half the goods by the end of October and the balance by the 1st of December. Full stop. फिर कहता है, these conditions were not compiled with us with so far as the first part of the agreement was concerned, and on our complaining about the unnecessary delay, you stated that the whole would be delivered by December. First up, it is now the 14th, and in the interval, we have communicated with you on several occasions without the desired result. First up, we have come to the conclusion that future contracts should be placed with one of your competitor। ये किस तरह लिखेंगे? देखे, with one of your competitor। देखे, with one of your ये देखे, ये competitor, ये क्या है? ये पी हाफ है, और देखे ये कॉम्पिटिटर्स, इस तरह। ये जब हम इसके करीब लिखते हैं तो इसका क्या मतलब है कि इसमें क्या है? काम है या काग है। तो ये कॉम्पिटिटर। फुल स्टॉप। फिर कहता है, the significance of this should not be lost upon you, and it will be to your advantage to fulfill your obligations without further delay। yours truly। अच्छा, एक्सरसाइज नंबर 30 है, तो ये यहां पर आता है, 30 यहां से पढ़ता है। अच्छा, ये देखें, कहता है, जेंटलमैन, वी रिसीव्ड योर कम्युनिकेशन ऑफ द 14th in which you complain of the delay in the completion of your contract. First up, that we have failed to accomplish what we promised. We must admit, and we very much regret our failure. First up, we are confident, however, that the contract could have been completed as agreed upon, but for the recent trouble with you with the commercial transport committee, ये डी इसके नजदीक है, तो इसका क्या मतलब है? ये काम यहाँ पर है, कमिटी, ट्रांसपोर्ट कमिटी, which was immediately responsible for the delay. Full stop. Their decision interfered considerably with our business and with And when we state that only 30 of our transport men have continued at work, we think you will recognize how difficult it has been to satisfy our customers. First of all, it is unnecessary for us to add that we should regret the transfer of your business, considering the long connection between us and the cause of the present interruption. Very truly yours.